How to turn on or off filter all comments. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off filter all comments. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok app, click on it. Once you are in your profile, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now all you need to do is click on the second option, which is privacy, and scroll down. You're gonna find comments, click on it. In here you can choose who can comment on your videos, and you're gonna find comments filters. You have filter all comments. Recent comments on your videos will be hidden unless you approve them. Just click on it and turn on or off wherever you are comfortable with. If you turn off this option, that's mean all the recent comments on your video will be people will be able to see it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.